Yeah. Look a man trying to pick mango. He's so short. Samira, be careful.
Do it like good.
Okay, Kamari, let me try.
I was going to try. I
Yeah.
got one.
Yay! You did it!
Good job.
Good job!
It's my turn.
Okay. Look, I'm gonna take it.
Yay!
You did it, Kamari.
This is
Take
my
the first
mango.
Yeah, that's your mango.
It's my turn.
Okay, Kiari.
My
So let me go.
mango.
Just now, Susu.
Yay!
Come, Kiari. Let me show you. Get one where you can pick. Come, Kiari. Okay, look at that nice big one there. You want to get that one there?
Over there?
Right here.
Oh, over here behind the forest.
This one? You want this one?
Daddy!
Okay.
Daddy! Mommy,
Kiari, you got to...
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
Wait, Kiari. You're not...
There's a mango, Susu.
You have to go so... Right. So then you...
Daddy.
Oh, Kiari, pick one. Kiari...
Mama,
Hold on.
mango.
Yay! Kiari,
Give me.
pick up first mango. Alright. So, Susu, you now. Susu only them with attitude about it. Come, Susu, come. Let me get a little one for you to pick.
Susu, get that one, okay? Hold it.
Look, Susu.
Two
Hold it
hands.
with your 2 hands. So hold it, Susu.
Hold it. Let's go help her.
Let me see. Pick it now, Susu. You want to be a thing.
Thank you, Dad. Help me.
Oh, that's so nice.
Okay.
You want them help you?
Yeah.
Because you can't do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, thank you. One more time, Susu. Yes, help.
Yes, big one.
Oh man, I'll help you.
She's help you.
I think we have to do it. Yeah. So you do this and Susu do that.
I took them on a little adventure today. Let them enjoy nature before school opens. Look at where we live. We live in the most beautiful part. Guys, be careful. And don't go too much in the edge, okay?
I love Susu.
You love Susu Godfather's house? So I guess not be alone and the kids enjoying pure Grenada. This is stuff I grew up doing. Like when school on holiday, we used to always come down to Fort Judy because this area where I grew up. So I'm doing the same with them. Let them enjoy the things that I used to do as a child. These kids are so friendly. Hello, Happy New Year. Oh. This is so cute. They are making friends. Ah, wow, they're 3 years old together? Wow. That's your godfather's house, not daddy's house. Yes, baby. Be careful.
Mama, I want to eat my mango.
You go eat your mango when you reach home so you could wash your hands.
Okay.
I told them here is where Blackadan took his picture for blessing the cover, and they singing and dancing the song. But Susu's being Susu. What happened? Susu, your daddy didn't go in the end there. Why you want to go in the end?
I just want to see.
Daddy didn't go in the end there to take the picture. I took the picture right here. If you go in the end there, mommy and daddy wouldn't see you no more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's dangerous there.
No.
And I want to see my baby forever.
No.
Now, Kamari,
Why?
you want Katie to?
Huh?
You want Katie to cry?
And what we going to do?
After, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy nature.
And what about what we have to do? We have our swimming suit.
You have your swimming suit.
Yeah.
Yes. You wanna go home for your swimming suit?
Yeah.
And swim in this water?
I cannot do that. So I need a floating thing.
This water is dangerous. We're gonna find a nice beach that is calm, so you guys.
We need a beach with like that big sand.
Yeah, with sand.
We
and
need
stuff.
a big belly so we can float.
Okay, baby. Yeah, you need to get a big belly so you can float.
No. Yeah.
Okay. But just eat a lot of food and get fat, and then your belly gonna get big enough to float. Oh yeah. Listen, Kiki. When I was younger, this rock. Kamari, yeah, you're gonna tell your story when I'm telling Kiki. When I was younger, this rock used to be way out there, and the sea, yeah, way out there, and the sea over the years just keep cutting into it, and it look at how close it is now. Yeah, it used to be way out there when I was younger, when I was like your age and so on, and then the water just keep cutting into it. Huh? Yeah. You want to throw the rock? Throw it right there, not over in the edge, baby, because mommy can't swim. Oh, yay! So see who can tell the story the funny. The wind is really heavy. You want some more stones? Get some. Look at stones. It's easy like that, and so just bend down and pick it up. Come on, don't go in the edge, please. So stay close. Yay! So come here. You guys want to go on a little hike? You see in the back over there? So we're going for a little mini hike. Oh yeah, that's a crab. That's a dead crab. Yeah. Samira, wait on me. I have to remember the track, guys. Yeah, I came here a few years ago. Come here, not this week. Follow this track there. Huh? Yeah, it's a few years now I went there. No. Yeah, I think me and Papa used to come. Huh? What? Yeah. No, this is the first time you guys coming. Jump, Susu, jump. Go on, Kiki. Good job. Just follow the road. Me and some friends used to come and hike, and I brought Papa here one time.
One time?
Yeah, because Papa don't like to hike. Tamari, wait on me. It's kind of weird in the back there. What's this stupid? Take your time. Take your time.
Are you following me?
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right behind you guys. But just follow the road. I think it goes around. Huh?
Daddy, you have to follow the line, okay?
Yeah.
I know, Tamara. I know.
Samira, stop running. Little girl. Girl, you just... I think there's a sign that says...
Susu, what?
Susu, it's okay to walk, not run.
Grandma.
Yeah. Tamari, don't push your sister. Listen, if you guys cannot cooperate, we're going right back home, okay? Yes, we're going back home in the jail. In the jail, yeah, so we did. Yeah, in the jail. You know why is the jail? Inside. Okay, but you have to be nice outside because you're not getting uncivilized. Huh? You want to hold? Look at a dog. Guys, there's a dog. How did they say no trespassing? I don't know how. You think every dog is your friend? Come on, guys. I think they block off somebody's property. So let's do the hike and around, okay? So Mira, the dog is not your friend. This one is not your friend.
Yeah.
Mommy will buy a dog for you, okay? That will be your best friend, okay? I don't know what did I do today by going along. But it's huh? Oh, look at the helicopter again.
Why is he doing that for, Mama?
I don't know, it's circling around. I don't know why. It probably have another. Somebody wants to see something. I don't know.
Daddy.
That's not Daddy. What Daddy gonna be doing in a helicopter? Huh?
She said he's going to pee, yes.
Huh? Kamari's being mean? Kamari, why you being mean? Why you being mean? Kiari said you're being mean to her. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Just a little date with nature with the kids. And I'm just showing you guys my beautiful island, Grenada, the gem of the Caribbean. So, how you guys enjoy being out?
Everything good.
Y'all enjoy being outside?
Yeah. I want to say thank you to Grandma for us to come with us. And we don't this time. And we don't eat New Year time. And it's Happy
Mari,
New
let's
Year,
just
Grandma.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
And this time she's going to bring us in Grenada. I was in that force. No.
Tamari, your turn now.
We were in that pit and then everyone see that and those our mango and then when we reach the home and they stop pouncing me.
Why are you fighting on camera?
They keep pouncing me.
But you being mean. So you want to tell me how you enjoy your little adventure today? Okay, look at the camera.
I want to say thank you to Grandma and Happy New Year, Grandma.
Thank you, baby.
And I hope you enjoy with your And I want to say thank you, Grandma. I
Mhm.
love you so much.
I love you very much too.
And I miss you. And the last time you just bring me back,
Mhm.
me and Susie.
Mhm.
And you bring us to get some big bubbles.
Uh-huh.
And you make us get some mangoes.
Mhm.
And I appreciate you.
Mhm. I appreciate you too.
Mommy, I was going to get mangoes. You was happy about me.
Yeah. Okay, so Kamari now, tell me how you enjoy your little date with nature and grandma.
Mango.
The mango?
Mango.
Let me see your mango. You're gonna suck your mango when you reach home?
You say no.
No. Tell the people how you like living in Grenada.
Mommy,
Huh?
no.
Say Grenada is the best place in the world.
Mango.
Kamari, bye. Susu, you wanna talk in the camera and say how you enjoy being outside today? Okay, so say how you enjoy being outside.
Hi, Dad.
Susu, go ahead.
You did that also.
Susu, you only saying hey guys?
Awesome.
That's all you have to say?
4 o'clock.
Okay guys, nobody's saying anything? Kiki,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah.
What's your name? I got you. Titi, stop.
But Kamari, you're not saying anything but you want her to shut up.
Stop. Grandma Susu's done.
Okay. Thank you, Susu. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy our little fun adventure. It's just us having a little fun time together, nothing fancy. So, talk to you in the next grown video. This is kiddie stuff.